This. This is a cool Freddy Krueger glove. It's kind of big, though. You can do... It's really cool. And for some reason, the volume is lower on my mom's iPhone than my phone. It's stupid. But yeah. Hey, Yoshi. Yoshi, how you doing? Doing okay? Let me poke him. Shit. I don't think he's coming back. Here I am. Milk. Milk. And glove. So this was a nice birthday present, seeing as... Oh, what the fuck?